in the future. Now the last tense, the longest, the hardest, the future perfect continuous. Keep in mind that the future perfect continuous is where. Do you know the meaning of where? Is a where tense. Where is this? It is an, yes, it is a where tense, and it's not that important tense, but absolutely it is in the curriculum and I have to explain it. Keep in mind, guys, that the formation of the future perfect continuous. First of all, because it is about the future, absolutely, I have will or shall. Please don't forget this. With simple future, future perfect, future continuous, future perfect continuous, you have to use will or shall. So this is will or shall. This is number one. And keep in mind that if we have a future perfect continuous, what do you think that I have to use next? Plus what?
Ben
Then, okay, what else?
plus J.
Don't forget have. Okay? Please. Plus. Thank you so much, Ben.
ing,
Plus.
verb ing.
Verb ing.
Bravo. Verb, any verb. Plus
Verb
ing. Bravo. Plus
to
ing. Okay? So this is the formation of a future perfect continuous. Concerning the future, this is it. Will or shall? This is a future. Okay. Just to make the formation a little easy. 2. This is about perfect, have been. It is perfect. This is perfect. And finally, continuous. So this is about verb plus ing. This is the continuous verb plus ing. So this is the easiest way to know the formation of a future perfect continuous. Okay? Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what about the usage? Please, guys, I want you to listen to me carefully about the usage. All the time, if you want to understand the future perfect continuous, you have to draw a watch. All the time, imagine the watch, because it's all about the watch and about the starting of a certain action. Okay, so here we have 12. Here we have 6. 6 o'clock here. And here we have 9. Here we have 3. Here we have 2. Here we have 1. And here we have 2. Here we have 4. Here we have 5. 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. And finally, this is 11. So please, guys, all the time, if you want to make sure if you are going to use the future perfect continuous correctly, imagine the watch. Okay. Now, the future perfect continuous, guys, or you know what? Let me give you an example. Let's imagine that Iman wants to travel to Turkey. Okay? And the flight starts at 6. Sure. So she is going to fly to Turkey at 6. This is the starting of the flight. And she is going to reach Turkey at 12. This is number 1. So Iman and maybe her mother are going to travel to Turkey, and the flight starts at 6, and they need 6 hours to reach Turkey. Okay? Now let's imagine that the flight starts. The plane took off. Now, at 10, maybe at 10, okay? Let's imagine that at 10, Iman is tired. Now, Iman is going to say to her mom, Mom, after 1 hour, so notice the future. Notice the future. After 1 hour, we will have been flying for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. So please, Mom, I'm tired because after 1 hour, the flight or the plane will have been flying for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. I need you to notice something about the future perfect continuous, guys. First of all, the action started in the past. This is perfect. When the action started in the past, this is perfect. I am here now. This is me. Now or here. The continuous is, I want to mention after 1 hour. So this time, after 1 hour, this is the continuous. And when I said that I'm going to reach Turkey at 11, so reaching Turkey at 11, this is the future. Future. So notice that the action is not finished yet because I'm still in the plane. I'm still flying. This is the future. And I'm talking when I told my mom that I'm tired, the action is still continue. I'm still flying. I'm still on the plane. And I'm still in the plane. And the action hasn't finished yet. This is the future. And you notice that the flight started when? In the past, which is at 6. So the action started in the past and still continue when or at the moment of talking. This is when I talk to my mom. And the action still continue till the future because the action has not finished yet. So this is exactly the future perfect continuous. So notice all the time, guys, all the time, if you want to use it, remember that you are talking in between. In between. All the things that are happening between 6 and 12. So everything between 6 and 12, this is future perfect continuous because the action started in the past, 6, and is not finished yet, which is 12. So everything is happening in between the started or the starting time and the finishing time. This is the future perfect continuous. Okay? So please be careful all the time. Remember that we have a watch and we have a starting time, a finishing time. Number 3, the action shall happen in between. And you have to remember that we have to continuous, we have continuous, we have perfect, we have a future. So this is why it is called the future perfect continuous. And notice the time of speaking. All the time you have to imagine the time or the moment of speaking. The time of speaking. The time of speaking. Okay, guys? So now I can say that